How to reduce visual clutter in Blood Strike game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. To reduce the visual clutter in Blood Strike, you can easily go ahead and turn off the hit effect. First of all, launch open the Blood Strike game on your device and from the main lobby, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the gameplay option from the left hand side menu and tap on battle info from the top. Now from the battle info section, scroll down and then go to the show hit effects option from the bottom and turn it off. Tap on the off button to turn off hit effects, and then right after you do that, you'll be able to reduce visual clutter in Blood Strike. So that's it. You have successfully done it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.